no foul basket, 3 points, 3 points, 2 points, 2 points. Elijah, no good. To start the game. Inside to Erfeo Umere. Yes, sir. 2 points for Pedro. Elijah Michelson. Challenge the defensive. Yes, sir. By Elijah. Erfeo back to back. By Erfeo. Score natin. 4-2. Michelson. All 4. Walang sumasablay ah. Akin na yan, Pao. Time na. Felix Divina Gracia tries for 3. Rebound for another try. Yes, sir. 6-4. Elijah Michelson setting up the play. Back to Elijah. Inside to Tambilan. Power move. No good. Pass to Felix. Pump fake. Another try. No good. Felix still using the shot. Pump fake. Inside. Yes, sir. By. Sino ba ito? Number 21. 8-4. May kilala ko rin kayo mga kuya. Nico G. Stolen by number 21. Inside to Erpego. Side step. Uy. Mike J recovers the ball. Pass to Flores. Flores. Perimeter. No good. Erpego. Slicing the defense. Intercepted by Mike J. Staring at Felix. Flores. Inside to Amores. No good. Guevara saves the day. Pass to Michelson for 3. Too strong for a 3-point lane. Pedro. Pinasa kay Felix na naman. Nahulog na for 3. Point shot. 11-4. Dinali kayo ni Felix. Perimeter. No good. Inside pass rejected by Elijah. What a great defense coming from Michelson. Number 21. 3. Too short. Opponent's ball. Mike J. Time remaining. Okay, Mike J. Pull up, Jay. Same spot. Too short. Kala mo, ha? Elijah Michelson. Uy! Wala. Too strong, pare. Erpedo. Okay. Labas ang bola. Labas. 11-4. Good yan. Inside. No good. Nico G. Power move. Back to Elijah. Mike J. Hiningi ang bola for 3. Too short pa rin, pare. Sayang. This game is brought to you by Papawi Stevie. Basketball na may diin, pero walang pikuon. Yan. 11-4. Inside, no good. Good yan. Fastball tayo mga sir. Mike J. Martin. Mike J. Changing pace. Full of jumper. No good. To Erpejo. No good. Kanila pa rin. Erpejo for another try. Wala pa rin. For a third try. Big pass. Using the glass. Wala. Apat na offensive rebound. Another one. Wala pa rin. Sayang. Elijah Michelson. Inside. Sumakay ka pa. Felix. Okay. Stolen. Number 9. Nico G. Yes, sir. Finally. 11-6. Erpejo. Oh, pinahuli ka. Sabi ni Eli to Flores. Umere. 11-8. Time remaining. 10 minutes. Number 21, pump fake to Erpejo. Jump step, inside, pull up, putata, Erpejo. Good. Erpejo, kontra Nico G, inside na naman. Opponent's ball. Miguel Martin to Nico G. Oy, same one. Good yan, pare, Miguel Martin. Mas Aldrin.
Saan yung paborito ko? Hindi naman.
Flores, too short. Nico G, too short again, pare.
Pag pinaubos, baba ko sa...
Medyo closes all behind the block. Challenging the defense. Number 21, inside, bumalik. Sabi niya, set lang daw. Going in the middle, tries for 3. Bang! 3 points. 48. Elijah, up and under. No good. Erpejo. Behind the back pass. Kuha niya. Wow, more play. Sayang pare. Flores. Recovers the save. So Elijah, open 3 to short. Erpejo, wala. Putatali kabilan. Puwersa kontra Nico. Yes sir. 16A. Using his body to get space. What a smart move coming from Puma short. To number 21. Number 21. Inside. Saya. In and out. Elijah Michaelson. To Gavilan. Yes, sir. 16-10. Nagulo mo eh. Ang haba ba naman eh. Erpejo. Pump fake. Uy, good. Walang tawag. Elijah Michaelson. Inside. Too strong, pare. Erpejo. Uy, lumutan. Pwede ka rin tumawag ng foul. Michaelson. Wala. Opponent's ball. 16-10. Lamang pa rin ng 6 ang offensive team kontra defensive team. Lamang ang kapuna nila Feds. Side ball. Okay, play tayo. 16-10. Inside to Erpejo. Inangat. Puta na! Not in my house. Sabi ni Eli. Crosses over. Inside. Trying to control the ball. Sino makakakuha? Ay, Erpejo ang bola. Erpejo. Inangat. Grabe naman si Erpejo. 18-10. Nico G. Elijah Michaelson. Inside. Too strong. Number 21 for another rebound. So Erpejo. Pinalik sa kanya. Pinalik ulit. What a selfish play between both players. Ganda. 20-10. Change pala tayo. Change na. Change score. Ay, teka.
Ito kami, di ba?
20-18. 20-10. Bola niyo, Eli.
Alright. Flores. Good for 3 by Flores. Good for 2. Yes, sir. 22-12. Flores. Wala. Pero kaya inibita. For 3, no. Elijah. Gripping the ball. Elijah. Pass to Flores. Yes, sir. Thank you. Pass to number 8. Number 8. No, in and out. Pero kukuha ni Martin. Pass to Flores. Flores to number 9. Number 9. No. 16-22. Stolen by Guevara. Wala na sa Epego. Pego. Crossover. Tagalong pass. Grabe. Sayang. Pero wala ni number 21 to Epego. Epego. Wala na sa Vidal. Yes, sir. 34-16. Good for 2 by Vidal. Flores on the side, no. Rebound by Elpego. Elpego for 3, no. Kaway number 11. Number 11, Martin pass to Flores. Wala. Kaway Elpego, napakasipag. Elpego. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Stop. Pass to Vidal. Vidal. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Foul. Last 3 minutes. Number 27. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to Vidal. Yo! Well, Martin. Martin. Pass to number Elijah. Uy, wala. Pero na si number 27. Number 27 yung dito ng ball. Number 27, Pin. Grabe sa Arpello. Nakagawa ng set play. Number 8. Tumidal, wala. Kaway na Elijah Michelson. Pass to Flores. Stolen ni Vidal. Pero stolen by Vidal pa rin ng bola. Vidal, bumangga kay Elijah. Faith. Kaway pass kay number 8. Ben! 16-27. Last 2 minutes. Vidal. To Felix. Elijah ng bola. Elijah masuk Flores. 18-27. Ay! What? Ben! 20-27. Pito na lang po. Ben, wala. In and out. Elijah na dala ng bola. Elijah Michelson. 22-27. Stolen. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Vidal. Pass number 27. Pedro. Oh! Ayan. Ayan si number 11. Kyrie Irving. Pass to Flores. Flores ay nakaroon ng kawan. Pero kay Flores pa rin yung Nicolo Guevara. Wala! Elijah, wala. $25 seconds. What? 13 seconds. Time! Game ball!
Kamay.
Oh, for game 3, on the right side,